Today, we're going to learn how to draw a queen. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. To start, draw a big circle for her head in the middle of your page. Next, draw 2 semicircles on either side of her head for her ears. At the bottom of the circle, mark out 2 short, straight lines for the Queen's neck. The Queen is fancy and regal, so she needs a cape. Mark out 2 sausage shapes that will be used for our reference later on. The next stage is to sketch a faint, straight line that goes all the way down the centre of our big circle, and then another line that goes across. These will help us to lay out and draw the facial features later on. Next, we're going to draw the Queen's crown. You can choose how big you're going to make it. Now it's time to switch to our pen. Start by outlining the Queen's jawline. Beginning from her cheek, draw all the way down to her chin, then do the same on the other side. We can now move on to outlining her ears and filling in her neck. For the Queen's cape, we want it quite fluffy, so around our sausage shapes, draw small, tiny arches, like you're drawing a cloud. Add in some black specks for those fine details. Now we can move on to her facial features. On our middle line going across, find the central point between the middle and her ear. Colour in a tiny oval shape for her eye. Then we can add on some eyelashes. Repeat this on the other side, making sure they're of a similar size. Next, we're going to draw on her nose. Follow our central line downwards, using the point just underneath the centre, and draw a little curved line. Using the middle point between her nose and chin, it's time to draw in her lips. Draw a big, wide smile. We can add in some lipstick. To make sure she looks happy and cheerful, we can give her some eyebrows. Moving on to her hair, start from this point here and draw a slight wavy line until you connect to the top of her ear, repeating this on the other side. Next, draw a curved line slightly above her head that stops at the top of her ears. You can add in some more lines to add more detail. Our Queen has gorgeous curly hair. So, from the bottom of her ears, draw wiggly curled lines to show off her hair. Move along her jawline to add in more curls. Repeat this on the other side. Finally, we can draw over her crown, adding in some dazzling jewels. Now that's how you draw a queen. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.